Good afternoon. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2026. I am here at Doctors Lake Marina. This is an after waterline video of Mach Turtle. We usually do a waterline video, especially when it starts getting warmer, just so where you can see a baseline of what your waterline looks like after we clean it. Just letting you know, you do have a lighter ablative paint. Their growth does go more rapidly on the lighter paints, and they are more prone to staining. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this. You will see a little bit of staining here and there, but don't worry, we did clean it. All of the hard growth and the grass growth is off. This is the side that gets the most sun, so it is, this stuff will get a lot dirtier quicker.